trying to do the heated grip install for the KTM 1390 R Evo, which is different for every bike. So for this bike, they want you to open this panel, 1, 2, and there's a third screw right here. Open these 3 screws, then open the screw here. These are all torque screws. Open this one and open that one, and the indicator pops out. And then this plate, which is sitting like this, you can pry it open with a screwdriver and it comes out. And underneath is where the heated grip connector is, right here. That's the first step. You got to open this front thing, take the indicators out, and then take this panel out, and then this is the connection for the heated grip. It says right there. I don't know if you can read it. It says right there, heated grip. That's the connector that's for the heated grip. So that's how you start.